Brand tailored promotions just went global. Here's what every seller needs to know. Also, if you stay until the end of the video, I'm going to be showing you where to stay up to date on Amazon news. I'm Josh Hackett, CEO and founder of EHP Consulting Group, and my goal is to help you become and stay a millionaire on Amazon. And the only way to do that is to conquer Amazon together. Let's dive in. Okay, so we've got the update right now on the brand tailored promotions, and this is great if you are selling internationally, which you should be if you're already doing good in the US. But right now, brand tailored promotions are now available in the UK, Germany, Spain, Italy, France, Mexico, and Canada. This is a great tool, which I'm about to show you. But brand tailored promotions allow brand owners to customize and send promotional codes to incentivize high intent customers. Now, pretty much this update is just about expansion. Instead of it just being in the US, they're expanding it internationally. And this is Amazon's goal, is starting to expand customers and sellers internationally so they can get more sales, and then Amazon can make more money. So to access the brand discount, you're going to go to advertising, and then it's going to say brand tailored promotions. Make sure you're a professional seller, make sure you're brand registered, and you will be able to run these 99% of the time. So you're just going to simply click create the tailored promotion, and now you can click, what do you want? Do you want new customer acquisition, customer retention, re-engagement, right? So re-engagement is usually going to be the, one of the best ones to win back lost and churned customers. So you can add products, and then you can see at risk, customers who haven't purchased recently nor frequently with varied spend. And then you can do or declining promising, customers from your brand's promising audience who are predicted to spend less with your brand in the next year. So you could try to do different ones. New customer acquisition could also be a good one. And this one is brand cart abandoners. So if they added your item to the cart, they didn't purchase within the last 90 days, that's 46,000 customers we could target. Huge potential on these. If you're not trying out these promotions, you definitely should, because usually what happens is the customers don't check out because of price. So especially if they added it to cart already, they probably went to the checkout, saw the price, and they're like, maybe I can wait. So if you can give them a discount, it's going to incentivize them more. So you could have a promotion name, minimum discount of 10% up to 50%, a budget, promotion start date, promotion end date, and then how many redemptions per customer is only one. And this can help you gain more customers and generate more sales. With a solid 10% discount, it's not too bad to at least test and see how this works. And for making it towards the end of the video to see different types of news on Amazon, you're simply going to click this Amazon logo right here on your desktop. Then you're going to scroll down, and they're going to see news right here. You can click see all, and it's going to show you all of the news to stay updated on Amazon. And that's it for today's video. Leave a comment below on how you recently conquered Amazon. If you learned something new, drop a like. And if you're an Amazon seller, I highly recommend that you subscribe to our channel, because we're giving away great content that's going to help you in your Amazon journey. And of course, if you need help with anything Amazon, contact ehpconsultinggroup.com. The link's right into the description, and you can schedule a call anytime. I'm Josh Hackett, CEO, and I'm signing out.